Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to go over this mini ratchet set that I have here in front of you. I was, browsing Amazon. I saw these guys. They said it was 30 bucks. I thought it was for one of them, but it was actually for all of them, which I thought was, absolutely crazy. Because, I've bought individual ratchets like this one that's over here for more than 30 bucks. And considering that you get all of these, I thought, that was a pretty crazy deal. However, this is the brand name. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it for you guys. But it is made in China, if that matters to you guys. The box that it came in looks like this right over here. That is the model number. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And then there is made in China right over there. So this set is kind of interesting. And again, the main reason I bought it was actually for this one right here. And I think if I would have bought this one just by itself, it was around like 15 or 16 bucks, or maybe for two of them. So I figured for 30 bucks, I'd just pull the trigger and get all of them, because I can definitely see a use for pretty much all of these. And, whether it's in a go bag, whether it's in an EDC kit, whether, it's just, lying around, the house somewhere else. I thought it was, again, a decent deal for what it is. So I'm going to start off with kind of this one right here, because this is the main reason why I bought it. And I'll kind of show you exactly why I bought it. So one thing that's kind of interesting is they all come in these cases. They're like aluminum cases. They kind of slide top, very kind of old school feeling cases. But on the front here, this is actually just like a paper sticker. They show, there's a ruler on both sides, both in metric and standard. And they say, you can use this as a ruler. I could see, after just a few uses of this getting tossed in a bag, that this thing could probably get ripped off and stuff like that. If it was like laser etched in or something, I could see it more as a selling point. But anyways, I'm going to take all these out of the cases anyways, but I just wanted to show you how they basically come kind of presented. So pretty much all of them, with the exception, I think, of this guy, come with two bits, but they're the same exact bits. They come with a square 2, and they come with a Phillips 2, and I believe that they are impact rated as well. But again, this is the reason why I bought it, was for this one right over here. And the fact that it basically comes with all this other stuff is really a bonus. And if you guys have kind of seen my videos before, or are familiar with tools that look just like this is very similar to the Wera Zykop, I believe it's called, the Zykop Mini. This is the one here on the bottom. Obviously, it is a little bit shorter, but overall dimensions, and actually I think a little bit thinner on the head right here. But I had bought this guy specifically for this set right here. When this thing came out, I don't know how long ago it was. I think it was like last July or something like that. There was a big, kind of debate over the ratchet that it came with. The previous ratchet looked more like this, where it was a pass-through, where the new one is just that quarter-inch mini ratchet, basically flex head. So I bought this Zykop as kind of a stopgap measure, so I could have the best of both worlds all in one set. And this thing kind of just lives right over here. And it stays in place basically, so it's a pretty cool little addition to this, although a pretty expensive addition for it. However, right now, Harbor Freight, if you're watching this when this video first kind of came out, in the next couple of days, this thing is going to be 35% off. So not a bad deal for something like this, especially if you're adding one of these and maybe even one of these guys. So, I played around with a couple of these, not every single one yet, but, they sound like they have a pretty solid gear set. Again, this is kind of an initial, impression for me. I've never heard of this brand before. If you guys have, please leave a comment down below if you guys have any kind of interaction. But, something like this I think is great, because, again, it fits in any quarter-inch bit holder, so you can take pretty much any bit holder that you might have. Obviously, it doesn't really make sense in a ratcheting one, but I'll just toss it in here. But now you can kind of extend the handle on there as well. So pretty cool little design. And then this one also comes with a little kind of bit holder, and this bit holder is a pretty cool one. You can just press it in like that, and it stays in there solid, and then that will release the bit from in there. So that's the first one right there. And then let's kind of go through all the other ones as well. So the next one you basically have, let me put these so I don't mix them up, is going to be this guy right here. And this is your basic kind of quick release, quarter-inch, very, very stubby mini ratchet. This one comes with the Phillips number 2, and then it comes with this guy, which is kind of interesting. to basically convert it from a socket over to a bit holder. So let me take one of these bits out if I can. One thing about these foam, the foam trays that they come with, they are super, super tight in there. So it would be kind of difficult to get them in and out. But this right here basically just converts it into that. So, I mean, you could do something like this if you really wanted to. Seems a bit excessive to me. But hey, you know, if that's something that you guys want to do, that has an option for it. Next one over here is going to be, this is just going to be your basic kind of bit ratchet as well. And again, this looks kind of similar to the ones that you would see that come with some of the other sets, almost like the Wera, the Tool Check Plus and things like that. So again, nice to have, you know, fairly low profile when you have this, although I always prefer the pass-through if we can get it. And again, same 2 bits, square and Phillips number 2. And then next up is going to be this guy right here, where you have a bit ratchet on one side and a little wrench on the other side. Looks like it's 12 point right over there. So, you know, this one is a pass-through, which is kind of nice. So I can definitely see this, you know, added, you know, as a kind of an EDC type thing. Not a bad little one. This one I feel is kind of just more gimmicky than anything else. However, if you guys, you know, drink a lot of, you know, beer bottles, stuff like that, you got to open them up. Maybe this is kind of a nice little novelty to have as well. This one is almost identical to this bit holder right over here, with the only difference being the can opener, or bottle opener, I should say, right over there. So again, I thought this was a, you know, an interesting set. The presentation, you know, again, for me, these boxes will probably either get tossed or kind of stored away. But as far as getting all of these, let me kind of just take them all out just so you can kind of see exactly what you're getting here for 30 bucks. And again, for 30 bucks, not a bad deal to have, because you'd be hard pressed from pretty much any brand to get, you know, this many pieces. And don't forget, you're getting a bunch of these bits as well. It would have been nice if maybe they came with some different bits than they come with, because again, they're all Phillips number 2 and a square number 2. But, you know, these also sell individually, so I can kind of understand, you know, why they did that. But again, all this, the cases, the bits, those are kind of irrelevant, at least to me personally. I bought it basically for this. And again, 30 bucks for all of that, I think is a pretty solid deal. And then one thing actually I meant to do is, let's see, I haven't even tried it in here. Let's see if this can kind of replace this guy as well, because this would be a super, super kind of budget-friendly way to get this thing in there. But you know what? It actually might not fit at all. So let's see some different configurations here. There we go. So you can basically put that in there and still closes. Let's move it around. Nothing happens. So for not that much extra money, you can basically add the bit holder ratchet in here that should have come with it in the first place. Again, I know that's kind of a hot debate, but not a bad little setup for 30 bucks. So, you know, tell me, what do you guys think? You know, would you pick this up for 30 bucks? And, you know, what have you had experience, I'm sorry, with this brand right here? And have they lasted? Have you warranted them? All that kind of good stuff. So let's have a conversation down in the comments on this. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.